What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate client reports in seconds using Claude. So let's get started. To generate client reports in seconds using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for generating our client reports. To create the skill, I'm going to click on Customize right here and click on Skills. Here I'm going to hit plus icon, and here we're going to create the skill using Claude. I'm going to hit enter to describe the skill that would like Claude to create in order to generate our client reports and output the reports as a PDF document. So here we're going to tell Claude, create a skill that takes raw marketing performance data from ad performance and analytics tools and generate a clean, client-ready monthly performance report as a downloadable PDF document. The input can include metrics such as ad spend, conversions, traffic, return on ad spend, cost per acquisition, and other campaign data in any format. The skill should analyze the data and produce a single-page structured report that includes overall performance summary, key wins, insights on what drove results, issues or underperforming areas, and clear next steps recommendations. The output must be formatted into a polished professional PDF suitable for client delivery with a fast preview option before download, ensuring it's easy to review, visually clean, and immediately ready to send without additional editing. For Claude to create our skill, I'm going to hit enter and give it a second for it to create the skill, our skill for us. So here you can see it successfully created our skill for us. So here it accesses marketing data in any formats. You can paste the data or upload a document. Then it analyzes the data, then generates a polished PDF document with the report, and then saves and presents the PDF. This is incredible. So here we can present it with some dummy marketing data to test the skill. So we can tell it we spent $8,000 on Google and Meta this month, generating 185 conversions, $25,000 in revenue, and 12,000 website visits. Return on ad spend was 3.2, with Google outperforming Meta in both conversion rate and return on ad spend. So here I'm going to hit enter, and let's test our skill. Here you can see it successfully generated these reports for us over here from the data that we just gave it. This is incredible. So you can provide it with the client name and the month. So you can provide it with the month and the client name. So you can proceed and now convert our report into a PDF document. You can see it successfully generated our report from the data that we gave it right here. So let us preview the report. You can open this link right here. And here you can see the report that is generated for us right here from the data that we gave it. This is incredible. So you can see the overall performance summary, key wins, issues and underperforming areas, what drove results, and the next steps and recommendations right here. This is really incredible. So you can download this document and send it as a PDF document to Zero. This is incredible. So here, since our skill works perfectly, you can tell it to save the skill. So here you can see our skill right here, so we can save it. Close package right here. Now we can save it. Now on the right, we can preview what is in our skill. Right here, this is incredible. So here's the description. Here's the marketing report generator with the steps right here. This is incredible. Now when you click on manage right here, you can preview our skill from over here. Then you can go line by line, ensure that the skill, everything is included in the skill, ensure that it works exactly how you would like it to work. Now, if you'd like to include some information to the skill or exclude some information from the skill, you can edit it. You can edit the skill. To do that, just click on the three dots right here. You can choose to edit the skill manually right here, and then click on save. Or you can choose to edit the skill using Claude. Go ahead and explain to Claude, telling it the information that you'd like for it to include or exclude from our skill. But since our skill works perfectly over here, we're going to generate a new client report using our skill. Now to generate a client report using our skill, you're going to find our skill, which is a marketing report generator skill. And we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to create a monthly performance report for Acme Solar Solutions for May 2026. During the month, the company spent $12,000 across Google Ads and Meta ad campaigns, generating 300 conversions and 58,000 in revenue. Website traffic reached 21,000 sessions, up 14% from the previous month, and overall return on ad spend was 4.7, with such campaign delivering the strongest performance. So now generate our monthly report for these clients. I'm going to hit enter. So let's give it a second for it to generate a report for our clients. So from our data right here, you can see it generated our report for us to preview before we take the next step of generating the PDF. This is incredible right here. I think it looks great. So you can see the report that it generated for us over here before we take the next steps of converting our report into a PDF document. This is incredible. This is awesome. So we can tell it, make sure that the text and the key wins and the areas to watch is visible. You can see it's not really visible right here. So you can tell it it's the only change that would make report. So we're telling it to proceed to the PDF stage. So here I'm going to hit enter. Give it a second for you to generate our PDF for us. So here you can see it generated our PDF for us. Right here. So we told it to make sure that the key wins and areas to watch text is visible. You can see it's visible over here. This is incredible. Preview the report in Google Drive. We'll click on this link right here. And now here you can see our report as a PDF. Here's the name of the company. Here's the name of the report, the month and the year, total spend, revenue generated, conversions, overall, return on ad spend, website sessions, search campaigns, revenue, and profit on ad spend. Then you can see the overall performance summary, key wins and areas to watch, what drive results, the next steps and recommendation right here. This is really impressive. So these are the two client reports that we generated using our skill here that we created in Claude. This is really impressive. We can try generating another report of a different client using our skill, and find our marketing report generator skill and tell it use this skill to create a monthly performance report for Bright Path Financials for April 2026. During the month, the company spent 18,000 on digital advertising campaigns, generating 475 leads and 91,000 in attributed revenue. Website traffic totaled 34,000 sessions, an increase of 22% compared to March, while overall return on ad spend reached 5.0, driven primarily by strong performance from Google search and retargeting campaigns. So from this data, we'd like Claude to use our skill to generate our client report using our skill. Here I'm going to hit enter. Here we're going to give Claude a few seconds for it to generate our report for us. Here you can see it generated our report for us right here. So we can review the report first before we tell it to proceed with generating it as a PDF document. This is incredible. You can tell it to use the last automation. Tell it to use Lux automation in the footer and proceed to generate the PDF. I'm going to hit enter. Let's give it a second for it to generate our PDF for us. Successfully generated our monthly client report for this client right here called Bright Path Financial. This is really impressive. This is really impressive. So this was the first draft report that it generated for us. Then we verified if everything was perfect. Then we told it to proceed to generate a downloadable PDF document, which is on the right here, as you can see it over here, including all the details, including the total spend, leads generated, attributed revenue, return on ad spend, and website sessions. Then overall performance summary, you can see it right here, key wins and areas to watch, what drove the results, and then next steps and recommendations right here. To preview these PDF document in Google Drive, we're going to click this button right here. Now here we can preview a PDF document. As a PDF document, you can also proceed to share it to the work. I wanted to share it to the work client. This is really incredible. Let us use our skill to generate one last client report from a different client marketing performance data using our skill. Now to generate our client report, we're going to use our skill. Then we're going to tell Claude this skill to create a monthly performance report for Urban Fit Gyms for February 2026. During the month, Urban Fit invested $9,000 across methods, TikTok ads, email marketing, and local search campaigns. Campaigns generated 182 new membership signups, 115 trial bookings, and 37,000 in first month membership revenue. Website traffic reached 28,000, while social media engagement increased by 31%, and email campaigns achieved an average of 42% in open rate. Overall, the customer acquisition cost decreased by 18% compared to January. Though TikTok campaigns produced lower conversion rate than expected, despite strong reach and engagement. The marketing team wants the report to highlight top performing channels, explain the drop in TikTok conversion efficiency, identify opportunities for improving trial to member conversion rate, and provide recommendations for March 2026 growth initiatives. To generate our client report using our skill, I'm going to hit enter here and give it a second for it to generate our client report. So here you can see it successfully generated our draft report right here from the data that we gave it right here. This is incredible. So we can preview the data to ensure that everything is included exactly how we want it. So you can see the name of the company, the year, the month, and the year. Is the total spend, memberships, free trials, revenue, return on ad spends, and cost per acquisition. Is the overall performance summary. Here are the channel performance, key wins and areas to watch, deep dives, and recommendations right here at the bottom. This is incredible. So you can see a couple of notes right here. So the TikTok deep dive section directly addresses the team's questions. The diagnoses the reach versus conversion gap and gives 3 concrete fixes. The trial to member section quantifies the opportunity to make the case for prioritizing that funnel. Email marketing is flagged as a standout channel given the 42% open rate. This is incredible. You can say we're happy with this and tell it to proceed to generate the PDF for us. Proceed with the PDF process. Now let's give it a second for it to generate our PDF for us. Here you can see it successfully generated the monthly report for Urban Fitness Gyms. Is a PDF document. To preview the report, I'm going to open the document in Google Drive, and here you can see the report. This is a very beautiful report, well organized, well structured report. The report was for Urban Fit Gyms for the month of February. Here is the total spend, the new memberships, free trials, revenue, return on ad spend, overall performance summary, channel performance right here. You can see email marketing, local search, methods, and TikTok ads with the performance of each channel. And here you can see the key wins and areas to watch right here, described over here. Here are the deep dives and the recommendations right here. This is incredible. We successfully generated these client reports automatically using the skill that we created right here in Claude. So this is how you can automatically generate a client report using Claude. If you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.